Good morning, student. Today we are going to study geography lesson Manufacturing Industries. Introduction. An industry is defined as an economic activity which is associated with the development or production of goods. This is defined as the economic activity. Manufacturing or industry means it is an economic activity associated with the development or production of goods. Classification of industry. Industries are classified into three categories based on raw material, size and ownership. Today we are going to discuss about the two topics, that is raw material as well as the size of the industry. Classification of industries. Based on the raw material, the industries are classified into 5 types. They are agro-based industry, mineral-based industry, pastoral-based industry, forest-based industry and marine-based industry. The first one is the agro-based industry. Based in this industry, the basic or the basic raw material, it is taken from the agriculture land, that is from the agriculture production. Here we will have the silk industry, cotton industry, jute industry. Jute means channel, that is கோணி பைன்னு சொல்கிறோம்ல, அதுதான் jute. Jute industry, sugar mills, vegetable oil, food processing. These are the industries based on the agriculture production, so that is called as a agro-based industries. Second one is the mineral-based industry. In this industries, the raw materials are minerals. Aluminium. Aluminium is a mineral which is used for making the utensils. In our home we are using the vessels, that is called as the utensils. Aluminium industry, cement industry, iron and steel industry. These are called the mineral based industry because the raw materials minerals. Third one is pastoral based industry. Pastures means pulveli. So the animals are grazed on the pastures or the grass. These animals, they gave horns, skin, bones, milk and flesh. So based on this raw material, we will have the leather goods industries, dairy productions and woolen industry. These are coming from the animals. They are grazed on the pastoral. So these are called the pastoral based industries. Fourth one is the forest based industry. In the forest we will have the plants, shrub and trees. With the help of this we will have the furniture making and paper making, paper industry, cardboard industry and lac. Lac means it is a red color substance. In Tamil it is called as a arak. So the lac is we receive this lac from the forest, from the trees in the forest. It is used for sealing the papers or documents or sealing the houses or shops. They will use the lac. Usually the government people, they are using the lac for these purposes. The last one is the marine based industry. From the seas and the oceans we will get lot of fishes and marine product. We use this marine product for this industry, that is seafoods. Seafoods are processed and they are selling the food. It is called a marine based industry. And then cod liver oil. Cod means it is one kind of fish. From this fish liver they are taking some oil. It is used as a medicinal purposes. So these are comes from the marine or the sea and ocean. So it is called as a marine based industry. Classification of industry based on the size. The size of the industry is followed some of the factors, that is some of the reason. First one is the capital investment. Capital means the money, how much money they are investing in the industry, that is called capital. Number of employees, how many people are working in the industry. Based on that also we can classify the size of the industry. Third one, the output of which it gives, how much production it gives, how much output it gives or goods it produces. That is also one of the factor for the size of the industry. Now the size of the industry is classified into three categories: cottage industry, small scale industry, and large industry. Large scale industry. First we will discuss about the cottage industry. Cottage industry is a traditional type, olden type. It is located most probably in the rural area. That is, rural area means village side. Household or village industry. It is called as a household or village industry. Most of the family members are the employee for this cottage industry. They use the nearby product, the local product. With the help of the local product, they are manufacturing the goods. For this, they are investing very less amount of money also. That is called as a cottage industry. For example, handlooms, ivory, pottery, jewelry, and handicrafts. These are called as a cottage industry. The products are sold in the local market. They promoted the employment for the villages. The village people as well as the family members are employed in this cottage industry. Second one is the small scale industry. In this industry, they are investing very less money. Comparing the large scale, it is very less amount of capital they are investing. Number of employees also very less employee. But they are getting the employee from nearby cities also. They get the product, that is raw material, from nearby towns and nearby cities. Small number of workers and small investment of raw material from outside. Products sold through traders. Here the small scale industry, they are producing the product, they are sold through the traders. The owners are the individual owners. Individual persons, they will have a small scale industry. For example, they will have the industries of clothing, cycle, brassware, utensils, and electric goods, paper, machine part, leather goods, furniture, toys. These are comes under the small scale industry. The third category is the large scale industry. Here the investment is very large, the capital is very large. Thousands of people or hundreds of people are worked in this industry, and they are producing mass production. Mass means it is very large production. They will work in a group. These people are controlled by the systematic complex system. They are controlled by many officials and many group leaders, and they are producing large. This product are used in the other industries also. For example, in the textile industry means they will produce the cloth. Other people, they will manufacturing the dress material or dresses. They are giving the material, they are producing the dresses. Like that, from the large scale industry, they are getting, other industries are getting the raw material also. For example, this is sold in the outside market. They are getting the raw material from different regions. Regions means out of their city, out of their country. So they are getting from outside also the raw material, and they are sold to other countries also. In this we are comes under iron and steel industry, petrochemical industry, and textile industry, and cement industry. These are comes under the large scale industries. That's all, children. Have a nice day.